Hello, and thank you for checking out the Vacation Revisions video in our Apple OnLine 4.0 Agent How-To series. Let's get started, shall we? We've mentioned in previous videos that the new AOL 4.0 has been designed solely with our travel agents in mind. While the system is extremely intuitive and user-friendly, it doesn't hurt to provide you with a resource to walk through common scenarios. We will be tackling vacation changes here today. More specifically, we will address a few tips before you click: changing hotels, changing flights, revising vacation dates or even durations, and finally, adding and removing any supplemental Apple extras. Forgive us if you've heard this before, but it bears repeating. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using the new AOL 4.0. What can you do? The true question is, what can you not do? As a valued and trusted Apple Vacations partner, there is nothing that our internal reservation agents can do that you cannot. Because of that, we have set very few limitations when revising reservations. Of course, there are still some present when working with ticketed scheduled air itineraries, but even then, we have explored every opportunity to put you in control. We speak quite often about the flexibility and ease of using AOL 4.0, and revising is certainly no exception. Version 4.0's multiple itineraries feature still carries over from shopping to revising. This allows you to display a reservation, then, once you've selected Change Booking, display a copy of the booking to review change scenarios, all without making any impact to the original reservation. We'll demonstrate this in the video. Next, and what I personally find to be most helpful, is letting 4.0 do all of the math for me. Don't worry about trying to memorize ever-fluctuating vendor penalties, fees, or even deposit requirements. Using the same multi-itinerary feature, you can quote all costs prior to making a change. And finally, all of our revisions in AOL 4.0 are accessed the same way. Use Change Booking found at the bottom of the recap screen. Once you're selected, you'll find yourself looking at the itinerary overview. So why wait? Let's jump in. Let's review the Change Booking screen. The first section of the Change Booking itinerary houses all air information. Package bookings will offer a few more change options, such as Change Package and Remove Package, but all vacations inclusive of air will present Change and Remove Flight links. Moving down, we find our hotel information and change options including Change Hotel, Remove Hotel, and Revise Hotel category. Next, we find our Apple Extras, as well as our Change Apple Extras icon, which we will talk about today. Then we have our passenger information. And finally, our Shop More, Back, and Continue Booking buttons. We'll be addressing these as well. That's it. Just pick the change you wish to make and move forward. Let's start by looking at changing a hotel. Are your clients looking to upgrade their stay? You couldn't be happier to accommodate. This really is easy. Let's enter our booking number in the appropriate field and click Go to display the reservation recap. Locate the Change Booking icon at the bottom of the screen and select it to display the new itinerary tab prefaced with a CB for Change Booking. As we mentioned before, you are capable of walking through the change scenario prior to saving. It's a helpful tool for wondering, what if? Now watch how easy this is. Let's locate and select the Change Hotel icon on the change screen. It's located directly to the right of your resort information. Once selected, you will immediately jump to the resort shopping screen, complete with plus and minus pricing based upon the currently booked package. From here on out, you should be a pro. Select your desired resort. Confirm whether you wish to make the changes or not. And make sure you take note of any applicable hotel change fees. If assessed, they will be located in the Fees column. You can click Continue Booking to proceed forward, and finally, you may choose to save all of your changes or cancel all changes. I mean, really, how easy was that? Are you looking for different flight times? Maybe even a different departure date? Change Flight can help you out. Begin, of course, by loading your booking, scrolling to the bottom, and select Change Booking. Once in the Change Booking screen, select Change Flight, which is found to the right of the flight information. Now there are two courses of action that you will see here, and it is all dependent upon what type of package is booked. If you are altering an FIT reservation, you will see a pop-up window display that allows you to pre-alter any vacation details. Enter your dates as needed and select Change Flight to display the flight shopping screen. Now if you are changing flights associated with a charter package booking, you will be brought directly to the flight shopping screen without that window. Either way, once the flight shopping screen is displayed, locate your desired flight and just select it using the, select icon. Once picked, an alert will display asking if you would like to confirm your change. Select No to return to the shopping frame or Yes to proceed forward. If you wish to continue with the change, select Continue Booking and proceed through the normal supplement and AVOK allocation process. And then finally, you know the drill, save or cancel all changes. Did Little Billy make the T-ball playoffs? Are deadlines causing a delay to your client's escape? Let's face it, life always throws us a curveball, and travel is certainly no exception. If we have to change our dates, AOL 4.0 has you covered. Speaking of which, let's hope our clients have the AVOK travel protection. Okay, let's load our booking and select Change Booking. Now we are going to approach this change a bit differently. As we previously mentioned, charter packages allow you to use the Change Package functionality, and all FIT vacations allow you to independently change dates and hotels. Both of these are completely viable options for changing the vacation dates. That said, instead of changing a component of the package, let's look at using the Shop More functionality. In theory, we will add a whole new package and delete the other off. This method could not be easier, and it works best when adjusting records outside of 45 days prior to travel. Once selected, you will see the standard shopping frame you have grown accustomed to. Enter your parameters and click Search to show available options. Using the Select icon, obtain the new package. Then allocate the materials as needed and select Save Passenger Allocation. You'll see your itinerary now has both packages saved. All you need to do is simply delete the old package using the Remove Package link. From there on out, it's old hat. Continue with the booking through the supplement allocation, and finally, you can save or cancel all changes. Okay, last up, let's revise some Apple extras on our booking. We all know it's the perks that make a vacation truly memorable. So what do we do first? That's right, let's load our booking and select Change Booking. We're going to scroll to the Apple Extras section and select, you guessed it, Change Apple Extras. You will immediately jump to the Apple Extras tab where you can add, remove, and revise supplements as you wish. Don't forget, you can click on the hyperlink for a detailed description as to what the supplement offers. Once you're ready to continue with the change, select Continue Booking. You'll then display the material allocation process. All you have to do is pick who gets what and save. You'll see your updated extras and then select Continue Booking again. Finally, you can save all changes or cancel all changes. So there you have it. That's our vacation revisions. In this short video, you have seen how to change air, change hotel, revise dates, and also add and remove Apple Extras. That should keep you going, but if you have any feedback or suggestions, please don't hesitate to see your sales rep. Remember, this is your system. Your opinion counts. Thanks again for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in another Apple OnLine 4.0 Agent How-To video.